This vegetable can actually grow worse in rich soil.
So why would a vegetable struggle when its soil has plenty of nutrients? We planted the same radishes under different soil conditions. In the heavily fertilized bed, the leaves took off. But the leaves were getting the attention, not necessarily the part we wanted to eat.
The balanced bed looked less dramatic above ground, but underground, the story was different.
The culprit isn't simply rich soil. One major problem can be excessive nitrogen. Too much available nitrogen can encourage the plant to invest heavily in leafy growth.
And there is another secret. Radishes need loose soil so their roots can expand.
After the growing period, we pulled both plants from the ground. The plant with the biggest leaves wasn't the winner. The balanced plant produced the better root. So don't think more fertilizer means more vegetables. For radishes, the goal is balance. Enough nutrients, loose soil, and the right conditions for the root to thrive.